Hi guys, I'm back and it's time to do a Stitch Fix unboxing for the month of October of the year 2021. So, spoiler alert, I think this is probably going to be the first video I upload in the series of videos, but I did film my Ipsy one before this, and I tried to wash some of these makeup swashes off, and I was not having any luck. So, that explains that. Moving forward, Stitch Fix is a monthly clothing subscription service where you take like a little style assessment as to what you like and what you don't like and what your measurements are. Then you get paired with a stylist who picks 5 items for you every month that gets shipped to your door. If you don't like anything, that's not an issue because they do send you a prepaid mailer to send everything back. So something Stitch Fix has been doing lately is they'll send you a little bit of a preview where your stylist will pick out a good number of items for you to kind of look at, and you can choose all 5 of your items from that little preview they set up, or you can do like what I did this month and just grab a couple, and then they kind of look at what you picked, evaluate, and then send you some actual new stuff. So there's like 2 or 3 pieces in this box that I chose, and then there's a couple pieces in this box that are a complete surprise to me that my stylist picked for me. So with that being said, I didn't have anything I'm really looking for. It is just starting to cool down here in Texas. So with that being said, I suspect there's some fall pieces, but also some summer pieces. So first things first, it looks like I got my prepaid mailer so I can send back anything that I'm not feeling. And then it looks like they set me up with 2 bundles. In this envelope, we have the invoice, which I don't like to look at until the end after I've tried everything on, just because I don't want it to influence how I feel about certain products or items until I've tried them on and I've had my own chance to form an independent opinion. And then this is the style card, and your stylist will leave you a little message. I don't quite remember exactly where I'm at on the stylist front. Someone commented, I want to say it was on my last Stitch Fix video, saying there was a bunch of stylists that ended up leaving, and I don't remember why. I just know there's some drama going on. So I think I had like Holly for a long time, and I don't honestly remember who my stylist is anymore. So we'll go ahead and read the note she sent. Hey Amanda, happy Fix Day and welcome to Fix number 26. That rhymed. I hope that this is finding you happy and healthy in Texas. How exciting was your Fix preview experience? I'm so glad to see that you found a few items that you look forward to trying on. Now, let's have some fun and start trying on some clothes like the Kaylee jumpsuit, layer on a cardigan if needed, and add some flats or wedges for a fun and casual fall look. How does the jumpsuit fit you? Another option to try could be the STS blue high-rise jeans paired with the Sophie Rue color block pullover, and add some sneakers or booties for another fall option. How do the jeans fit you? Do you like the top? Please always feel free to let me know which items are working well for you and how I can improve to better help you in the future. I can't wait to hear from you, your friend Brittany. It's Brittany with an I. And looking at this, I do maybe vaguely remember some of the items I picked. If I remember correctly, I usually have my preview. I usually screenshot it. I don't remember. Sometimes I forget though because I'm bad. But I want to say it was this preview. There was just so many sundresses and I was like, enough. I still picked 1. Actually, I might have picked 2. But either way, I was like, enough. So let's go ahead and look at our bundles. So here is bundle number 1. I'm seeing some floral. If you watch my videos, you know I am a sucker for a good floral print. Even for a bad floral print. Is there such a thing as a bad floral print? I doubt it. So this first one, I think they're calling this a maxi dress, if I remember correctly in the style card. But either way, it is a floral dress. I don't feel like this will be a maxi dress, just based on what it looks like, but I could be wrong. It does feel like a good cotton. So this is by Fortune and Ivy. It's a faux wrap V-neck, just beautiful floral print. And it does the thing where it's higher in the front than it is in the back. And I'm so excited about trying this. I think this is gonna be beautiful. I'm just a little worried about the price tag, but so be it. Oh look, another floral print. So this one is interesting because it has an interesting texture on it. These little white spots are also textured and they almost feel a little rubbery or something. I don't know what to make of that. So this is another floral dress and it looks like the top is layered, but the bottom is not. And I suspect the top is layered because of a shear issue that might potentially happen. It does look like it has a cross back, which is always cute. And it's just a normal, I think, scoop neck front. And I'm maybe only mildly worried that this could be potentially too short with my booty, but you don't know until you try it. And then this, I think, is a piece I did not pick potentially, but ooh, the tag's all tangled up, so un momento. Oh no, this is the jumpsuit, so I did pick this out of my comfort zone, but it looked just fun enough that I had to. So a floral print jumpsuit. It has, looks like a faux wrap tie on the side, and the legs, instead of being more billowy, they do look a little more fitted, so we'll see what that looks like. And then we'll move on to our second bundle, which that was kind of like a summery bundle. This looks a little bit more like maybe a fall bundle. So I don't remember if I definitely did not pick the sweater. I don't remember if I picked the jeans or not. So let's look at this. Oh, that is a thick sweater. That's a nice sweater. I know this time last year I was not feeling the whole color block thing, but I'm kind of feeling this a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. On camera, I'm not sure if this shows up more black or navy blue, but this is more brownish greenish than anything else. This could be really cute. It's thick, but it has the potential to be sheer, so it's something I might have to layer some sort of tank top or cami underneath. And then the jeans, I really do not need another set of jeans. Well, I don't need another set of skinny jeans. So these jeans are gonna have to be some kind of different in order for me to want to keep them. These do just look like a basic pair of high-rise, they're calling these an ankle skinny. So generally, if things are supposed to stop at the ankle because I have short legs, there's usually a fitting issue, but I will give this the old college try and try them on and see whether or not they are too long in the pants or not, and go from there. Anyways, let's go try some things on. Oh, hello, Roxy. Do you want to join? Okay. Anyways, so this is what the sweater and the jeans look like. I love this sweater. This is way cuter than I thought it was going to be. It's thick enough where it would be really great for like a fall day or even one of the more balmy like winter days, depending on how acclimated you are to everything. The jeans, don't get me wrong, I like the jeans. They're cute, they fit well. The length I feel like actually fits me pretty well, considering I have short little curvy legs. But I really don't need another pair, even though they go oh so well with this sweater. Like literally, this is a whole look and I'm living for it. But yeah, anyways, moving on. Okay, so here is the jumpsuit. I did pair it with the pair of wedges that I got, I wanna say this last summer. I'm not entirely sure actually when I got these wedges, but either way, the shoes definitely elevate the look. I think, so normally jumpsuits have this issue where it like focuses way too much on my belly area, or just like it's not flattering. And this is actually pretty flattering, if I do say so myself. So I did have a little bit of an issue getting this on, just because it's not like tight, it's not uncomfortable, but it like fits me perfectly like a glove. But that was a problematic because like there's no zippers or anything to get this thing on. So getting them around the hips was a bit of an issue. It does have pockets. We all love a good pocket, and they're good deep pockets. I love the little faux wrap tie, which actually this does help a little bit if you undo it when getting it on. It loosens it up ever so slightly. And then the top, I almost had a panic attack because I heard a snap, and it's actually just because it has a snap up here to make sure you're not becoming indecent, if you will. So this has potential to be a real keeper, and this would look really cute with a cardigan or something like that. So here is the yellow sundress, which I find very cute. It's not too short at all. I don't know why I keep thinking that they're going to be too short. Apparently I've just tried on too much stuff from Forever 21 back in my youth and it really made an impression. But either way, it's comfortable, it's light, it's breezy. The back is really cute. But I definitely need to like get a different bra because I don't like it when bra straps show like that. It's just, I don't want to say tacky, but it's not my favorite look. Let's just put it that way. But it's cute. I just don't really need another summer dress. That's kind of where I'm at right now. It's cute. It's not my favorite. We'll see. And here is the final dress. So I understand why it's a maxi dress now. It is definitely way longer than I anticipated, but it's not so long that it's a tripping hazard or anything. So that's really great because I do also struggle with finding good maxi dresses just because of the length issue, especially because my itty little legs. So I really like this dress. Mike has even approved of this dress, which is pretty rare because he doesn't approve of most of my Stitch Fix purchases, but he definitely likes this dress. It's definitely flattering. The floral print is gorgeous. If I were to keep this dress, I would either have to wear a tank or something up here or do some fashion tape in some very opportunistic, it's not the word I'm looking for, strategic was the word I was looking for. I would need to do some strategic fashion taping, but I didn't want to do it for this video because I don't know if I'm keeping this or returning it or possibly selling it on my Poshmark shop. More of that to come later. Either way, it's cute. This is going to be a difficult decision to figure out what I'm keeping. So let's go look at the invoice. Okay, let's look at the damage. Okay, the jeans that they sent me are $59. That's on the cheaper side for Stitch Fix jeans, unfortunately. Or maybe fortunately, I haven't decided yet. Let's see, this dress, I want to say it's this dress. I'm double checking because I'm a little confused right now. Okay, yes, this dress is $54. The jumpsuit is $58. The yellow dress is $48 and the sweater is also $48. So if I were to keep everything, the subtotal is $267. However, if you do keep everything, there is a buy all 25% discount. So the new subtotal would be $200.25. I do not have any credit at the moment, but if you are interested in trying out Stitch Fix and want, I believe it's $20 off, it might be $25, but I want to say it's $20. I will have my referral code in the description box below. We both get $20 off of our Stitch Fixes, and that credit can be applied towards whatever you would like to keep out of it. With that being said, I'm not sure what I want to keep for this. So sometimes what I do, and what I did with the last box, I believe it was, is I will keep all 5 items, but then I'll sell some of them on my Poshmark shop at a discounted rate that I like to pass on to whoever is buying it. I will say, the yellow dress, I'm not super, like, it's cute. I just don't think I would keep it. So that would be probably something that would end up on my Poshmark shop. The jeans would probably be something that would end up on my Poshmark shop. And everything else would probably be keepers from my own personal closet. If that's something that would be interesting to you, please let me know, comment down below, and I'll consider doing a 5 for 5, just so I can put those items in my Poshmark shop. My link to the Poshmark shop will also be in the description box down below as well. Now, yeah, I believe that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching if you made it this far, and if you liked my video, please consider doing all the things that make YouTube more likely to make YouTube more likely to suggest my video to other people, such as liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and turning on that notification bell. Anyway, stay safe, happy, healthy, and cool or warm out there since we're in a transitional season. Thanks, guys.